Are you wondering how to check the warranty availability for your iPhone? It's important to verify your iPhone's warranty status to ensure you're covered for repairs or service. Here's how you can check warranty availability on iPhone. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started without wasting time. Check iPhone warranty via Apple's official website. Find your iPhone's serial number. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap General and then tap About. Locate the serial number of your iPhone. Tap and hold on serial number. Copy this number as you'll need it to check your warranty status. Open Safari browser. Go to coverage page, which is checkcoverage.apple.com. Enter the serial number. Paste or type your iPhone's serial number into the designated field. Complete the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot. Tap Continue. View warranty status. If this says coverage expired, that means there is no warranty available on your iPhone. The website will display details about your iPhone's warranty status, including whether your device is still under Apple Care or if your warranty has expired. By following these steps, you should be able to easily check your iPhone's warranty status and know if you're covered for any repairs or services. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.